How to repair broken course navigation links on your Canvas course. If there is a button that is not linked correctly in your Canvas course, there is a way to fix it. A quick tip is to hover over the button on your home page, and that will show where the button is linked to. For instance, this is linked to Module 0 Getting Started, but notice that this button is linked to Module 7, but it's the Module 1 button. So to fix it, I would go to the home page and click Edit. And to expand the page, you can click and drag this down so you get more space. Click the button itself. Then on the right side, under Links, you're going to go to Modules and click Module 1. The button turned yellow, which means that it's been linked to a new thing. Then once you're done, click Save. And this process can be repeated for each of those buttons on the home page. And like I mentioned before, the quick tip, if you want to see where the button is linked to, just hover over it. For instance, Getting Started is linked to the course syllabus. Instructor contact information. This is linked to Module 0 Getting Started, etc. If you have new buttons, what you would do is the same process. Click Edit. Expand the box if you'd like. Scroll down. For instance, if I wanted to link the finals to a different module, I would click the button itself, go to Links on the right hand side, find where or which module I'd want it to link it to, click it, and once the button turns yellow, that means that it's linked. Once you're done, click Save, and then you're good to go. And that is how you repair broken course navigation links on your Canvas courses.